Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In today's video, I decided I'm going to talk to you about how you can market Ask Reddit entitled parents Reddit videos. Because many of you wrote me in the comments like, okay Marcus, you made a video about how to make Reddit posts videos, but could you please help me with the marketing? And this is the part which I love the most because I am a marketer. So let's start. I created this PowerPoint presentation. First, marketing for Reddit videos. What we need to take a look at first is a competition. Competition is really big right now on Ask Reddit and on entitled parents. And also Ask Men and Ask Woman, they are using this too. But there is this way how you can make it better. Right now, for example, the worst thing you could do is to make Fortnite compilations, because Fortnite compilations, there are so many videos in that category. And honestly, I believe that when 200 channels every day upload same Ask Reddit videos, it's really hard to get views. I really believe in that. So with the marketing on that point, it's really hard. The only one thing you can do is when you make Ask Reddit videos and entitled parents videos is to praise the algorithm. Before you go to sleep, you need to please YouTube, recommend my videos. I need views. I need YouTube AdSense money. So that's only one thing you can do, because there is no way how you can market your videos, because the thumbnails are right now really good. What you can do, you can be smart. What do I mean by that? I wrote this formula which I use for my everyday life. Execute, you create a video. You have a result. For example, okay, it got 100 views. You are going to analyze those results. And then by analyzing results, you will execute again. You will create video again. But what kind of video you should make? Let's go. Use analytics to your advantage and use the try and fail system. First, when you're gonna do is analyze your competition. Open all Reddit videos, what they are doing, Reddit channels, sorry, what they are doing, how they're behaving. Analyze them, what kind of content they are creating. Because if you see that 700 channels are making the same content, don't make the same content. What you can do better is to use this subreddit stats site, just write it on Google, and you have, for example, site here. Really good thing is to make, you can see my mouse, Teamfight Tactics. It's a League of Legends mode, really cool game, I love it. What you can do is to make video top memes from Teamfight Tactics, top memes from subreddit Rainbow Six Siege, top memes from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Intel Extreme. There was Counter-Strike Global Offensive had a, how it's called, the tournament, and I think Team Liquid won it. Probably, I don't know. No, it wasn't Team Liquid. Maybe it was. Twists play there. And what you can do is top moments, or even top memes, or top comments from that. You need to play around it. You need to try and fail, try and win. And now you have plenty of subreddits. Nipple Burger, I got no clue what is that. Stumbled upon this gem. It got 33% increase. You can try it out. And then, for example, didn't know I wanted that. You can make okay, best posts from didn't know I wanted that part 1. You need to try it and you need to see if it works. So this is what I mean when I replied to you in the comments that you should try to do something different. And I think I'm going to do videos like these for every field. If it's restaurant, if it's auto repair shop, I don't know, because I feel like myself when I do this. Also, write me in the comments what are your ideas that you want to execute, and I will guide you. Yep, that's kind of it. Thank you all, everybody, and goodbye.